welcome to this week's new release video. As you can see, I just did these test prints. It is 8:50 on Thursday evening, so I needed to go ahead and get this done. So I'm sorry that they're rolling a little bit, but I did just print these off. So for this week, we've got 3 new collections, plus I've got our June bundle here. That is our subscription kit. So I am going to place half of these down under this candle for right now so that they can hopefully not be so rolly, and I'm going to get started on the very first collection that I've got here, which is the succulent collection. Also, before I get started, base kits, the 4-page kits will be $12 throughout the weekend, and then the luxe kits, which are the 4-page kits plus this layering sheet, will be $15 through the weekends. There are also deals if you want to add on like icons and stuff like that, and deco, because we do have deco for 2 kits this week. So let's actually get started there. So this is the succulent deco. This is larger than the sheets that we did, not by a ton, but it is a bit bigger. And then I wanted to add in kind of like clip art that could go across the top or the sides of the page. I thought that would be really fun. So that is what I've done here. You guys can see, so it's kind of just cut off so that you are able to use it so that it goes along the side or the top, however you want to do. But this is the deco sheet for this kit, and then here are the full boxes. So you've got Make Today Beautiful, and then just a ton of really pretty florals. So I brought back a few kits this week that we've not had in quite a while. This one, I think it's been like 2 years. And I did make some adjustments to them, but I loved this kit, and you guys will see I love the other 2 as well. But I wanted to bring them back. And also the color palette for this, I think, is just so beautiful. So like I said, this is your full box sheet. This box right here that has this that goes across the top. I cannot talk, I am so exhausted. I adore this. Also, this is rose gold foil. So here's your second sheet here, and I'm gonna kind of try to keep this video on the shorter side because I need it to upload before I go to sleep. So I'm gonna go through, I'm all over the place, I'm sorry guys. I'm gonna go through this kit and tell you guys what's in it. And then for the others, other than the June bundle, I'm going to just kind of quickly go through them. So your second sheet here, you have got labels up top, boxes, half boxes, appointment labels down here. You've got bow checklist, a few layering pieces, and then some functional deco down at the bottom. It's your second sheet. Again, sorry that these are rolling so badly. Your next sheet is your bow headers. You've got these floral headers, confetti headers, a tracker here. This does have 7 bows, so you can either use it as a checklist, or if you want to use it Monday through Sunday, you can do that. 3 bow checklist, 2 of the 2 bow checklist, and then 3 boxes here, and then you have got your washi down at the bottom. Next sheet, you have got your, look at this bottom washi, you guys. You've got your bottom washi. I love this so much. If you've been around for a while, you know that I love a good floral. So we've got the bottom washi and then the bow washi. You have got your date covers, another row of confetti headers, and then you've got 2 daily trackers here. So I always like to try to show the bottom washi with the full boxes. I just love this, and I think it's so beautiful for summer. So your next sheet, if you are doing either a luxe kit or these are available a la carte, are the layering sheets. So you've got boxes, you've got the bow dots, flags, you've got some scalloped headers, some banners, and then some small boxes down at the bottom. I just have 2 of these sheets here because they do print 2 to a page. But yeah, so that is the layering sheet. These are my new favorite thing. These are part of the luxe kit, or like I said, and also these are available a la carte. And for some reason, I didn't think to do this last week, but these are going to be on sale for Foil Friday is technically what it's listed on the website as. So these sheets are actually gonna be $3 for the weekend as well. So if you wanted to pick this up by itself, these are now on sale too. So there's the layering sheet. And then I showed you guys the washi, or not the, you guys, the deco. Mom and I started going to the gym last week, but that means I get up at about 6:05 a.m. For me, that's just something that I've not done in years. So I am just exhausted. Anyway, so ignore my inability to speak. Next, Orange Blossom. I am obsessed. This is my favorite, other than the June bundle. look at this. Tell me this doesn't just like scream like July or August or September even. I adore this kit. And it has been so long since we've had it in the shop, so I wanted to bring it back and then adjust it a bit. These full boxes are the same, but I wanted to do the deco, and you guys can see I did the same thing where you've got some of these that will kind of go flush with the side of a box or the top of a box. Love that, and then love this wreath too. But you guys, these full boxes. But not just these full boxes, this bottom washi. Look at that. Oh, I love it so much. So this one is obviously gold foil. And like I said, I'm gonna kind of try to get through these a bit faster. So you've got your full boxes. Look at these colors. You have got your boxes, checklist, functional down at the bottom. Next, you have got your washi headers. I love this so much. Trackers, and then your bottom washi again, plus your date covers. It's got this white wood background, just so pretty. And then here is your layering sheet. So either a la carte or with the luxe version of the kit. Love this so much. And then I need to put these under the candle because I still need to do photos. Next is called Simplicity. This is another one that has not been around for a bit, but I wanted to bring it back. And since I was already doing kind of like all floral kits, I decided to go ahead and throw this one in. Plus this is the complete opposite of those two. So this kit is totally grayscale as far as the colors and stuff go. But I just love it. I think it is so pretty. And I did make adjustments to this one. This is not the same as it was before. There's a little bit of difference here. So you've got these really pretty big floral pieces. You've got this quote, "There's beauty in simplicity." And then you've got some confetti on this box as well as down here in this box. Next, like I was showing, this is completely grayscale, which I love. You've got your boxes, you have got your washi, and your headers, and then here is your bottom washi. You've got these large foil flowers down at the bottom, and then your layering sheet here. This is another reason I wanted to do the layering sheets on special as well, because we've not done well, we did a gray that was like a light gray, but we've not done a kind of monochrome sheet like this. So I wanted to have this available at that special price as well. So that is a Simplicity kit. And now I'm going to show you guys the June bundle. So these will be available on the website through, I believe, Monday. So this is a subscription kit. And what else? If you look on the website, there is a section for it. It's also on the homepage if you scroll down a bit. These ship on the 15th of June, and what else? I think that's it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments down below. If you're already subscribed, these charge on the 5th. These do also come with a clear foiled freebie that I do not have here right now because I was just trying to get this video done. So I think that's it. Anyway, look at this. Look at this. I have had this particular artwork right here that I've been wanting to play around with and just haven't. And then as I was scrolling, which is something I like to do, kind of looking through clip art and SVGs and whatnot to kind of get ideas for kits, I saw some of these pieces and I immediately thought of this art, and I thought that would be so beautiful with the gold. So this is your June bundle. I am obsessed. Completely obsessed. Full boxes, and then your bottom washi here, you've got this really beautiful moon, and then over here, it's like a lotus, I believe. So pretty, and I love these colors. We've not done an all like purple kit like this in a minute, and I think that the purple and the gold is just so pretty together. Here are your other two sheets. So yeah. That is it. I hope you guys love it because I might use it this week. I'm completely obsessed with it. But yeah, I think that's it. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what you plan on picking up, if you plan on picking anything up. And if you like this week's new releases, please give this video a thumbs up. I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.